What is wrong with this car? Not working. The airbag too, but all these are not working, so everything here is not working. The vehicle ID number, certificate. So I can see ABS. I will send this document to my email now. So taking it to the ChatGPT to elaborate and tell you precisely what is going on. Power is not coming in. This is still back, but this is it. Stay gently. You can see. That's it. That's like an explosive. That's it. So I'll take that out. Oh. Okay. I hope you can see that. So doesn't fit well, but I'm going to manage. And this one, oh my god, no, this comes. Take that back. Worked. After clearing the code, I'll reverse and move forward again and see if the ABS light is going to show again.